Prince Institute. Exercise 178. Sir Happy Singh. Ready? Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman Sir, I am really grateful to you for this opportunity. I wanted to highlight only one aspect about the ministry controlled by the Minister of Agriculture and Cooperation and now Civil Supplies. I am concerned with the cooperative aspect of the ministry. Sir, I am addressing to this problem with all seriousness. Sir, as you know, I have lived my life in the cooperative movement and I am now the most frustrated person to see that the cooperative movement is being degenerated into a political arena. Sir, the cooperative organization has a special role in the rural development. As you know, sir, the introduction to the first plan was given by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and in that, the cooperative movement was described as a vehicle for social change. And with that idea and aspiration, we have worked for the last 30 to 32 years in the cooperative movement. Though the cooperation is a concurrent subject, I am aware of the limitations of the central government in enunciating any laws. But, sir, there is a bill in Parliament for which a select committee was appointed to issue guidelines to the state governments to enact a new cooperative act. Sir, in between the capitalist movement and the communist movement, cooperative movement is ideally suited for the development of rural economy in the Indian context. And I hope that the Honorable Minister will look into this subject, particularly the cooperative organization, and will not say that it is a concurrent subject and therefore he has got the very least to do. But surely, sir, the center can give guidance. I am pained to see the degradation of the moral standards and the high principles that has set in the cooperative movement. The cooperative movement having been infested by politicians, particularly in the very affluent states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, and the southern states, has now become a political battleground. In the northern side, what I find is that it is only a money grabbing vehicle for the antisocial elements to enter into the cooperative movement, particularly in UP, Bihar, and all those belts. Sir, in the eastern side, there is no cooperative movement, and particularly in West Bengal, there is no cooperative movement at all because the communists never believed in the cooperative organization. Sir, I would like to draw the attention of the honorable member to this aspect, and I know from my experience in Maharashtra state that the agro industries, particularly the processing industries for sugar and cotton, have created so much of wealth in the rural areas that the battles are being fought there. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, a person of your stature perhaps will not believe, but it is a fact that the elections in the cooperative sugar factories or spinning mills are fought with so much of money that even a candidate for a Lok Sabha election cannot spend that much. That is the present stage, that is how the elections in the cooperative sugar factories, spinning mills, and large scale societies are being fought. I am coming to that point, Mr. Sinha. But there is no place for your party in the cooperative movement. You don't worry about that, sir. Corruption has also entered into the cooperative movement. It is all pervading, and to that I want to draw the attention of the Honorable Minister. Sir, the horizons of the cooperative movement are expanding. The agro processing cooperative sugar factories have started the manufacture of alcohol. Then, sir, everybody knows about the alcoholic drinks. At present, sir, the rate charged for a barrel released through the cooperative sugar factories and I would say with all the sense of responsibility as a cooperator, is rupees 1100. Sir, a chairman and his board can normally make about rupees 25 lakhs per year by indulging in such nefarious activities. So, sir, the time has come that such things should be put a stop to. That is why I begged of you to give me 5 minutes so that I could bring these matters to the notice of the minister. I feel that this vehicle of social change is being not only misused but it is also being used for fighting political battles. I will not be surprised if at any time you are asked to provide tanks and other weapons to cooperative magnates. Sir, my senior colleague, Shri Chavan is here. He comes from district where a very affluent cooperative sugar factory is there. In the Maharashtra Assembly, a calling attention has been admitted to find out the details of misappropriation of rupees 1.5 crores in a cooperative sugar factory in his district. Sir, what do we find is that cooperative sugar factories are collecting money against tonnage of crushing to create a trust in the name of the chairman. What is this? Sir, these types of present cooperators who are creating trusts in their own names, some pratishthan they call it, should be expelled to make cooperative movement more useful.